Before we jump into creating campaigns, there is a crucial step that many sellers often overlook. This is auditing your existing campaigns. Like, there may be a brand that already have many campaigns there. So, our first task will be to audit the previous campaign or the existing campaigns. So, running ads isn't just about setting them up and leaving them. To ensure your money is spending wisely, you need to regularly review your campaigns. Like, here is what the proper audit involves. The first thing is, you regularly have to review your campaigns to identify high and low performing keywords. So you have to check which ads are generating more sales and which are just costing you money and spending only. The second thing is analyzing your key matrices like CTR, CPC, ACoS, ROAS, impressions, conversion, and many things. So like, this also helps you to allocate budget to campaigns that are performing best. Like, these things or these matrices helps you to allocate your budget to the campaigns that are performing better than the rest. And you also have to check for the duplicate keywords or overlapping target, because you have to avoid the targeting the same keywords in multiple campaigns could be there. So you have to avoid this, and like, because they can split traffic and increase your cost unnecessarily. And the fifth thing is the document changes. So you have to keep a record of any optimization that you are making. For example, pausing, if you are pausing a low performing keyword or adjusting bids, so you can track improvement over time. And yes, the continuous improvement, like auditing, is not only a one time task. You have to regularly review your campaigns and ensure your campaigns are always optimized so to get the maximum ROI. All right, everyone. Now we are going to get hands-on and look at how to audit your existing campaigns directly on Amazon dashboard. So the first step is, like, you have to open your campaigns. So first of all, we will navigate your campaign, or we will navigate the campaign tab in the Amazon Seller Central. This one is the Amazon campaign dashboard, and then we have to click on the campaigns that we want to audit. Like, there could be many campaigns, so we'll have to open every campaign, each of the campaign one by one, and then we have to start auditing it. Whenever we are auditing any previous campaigns or the existing campaigns, we generally take data for the last 30 days. Okay, what we have to do is we have to open the campaign that we want to audit. Let's say I want to audit this campaign. So yeah, as you can see that there is only one ad group in this campaign. You can add as many ad groups as you want, but we always suggest to have one ad group in one campaign, and in one ad group there should only be one product in that ad group. So here also we have one ad group here, and like, from here we have to check all the products that are included in that ad group. So we'll click on this ad group. So as I already told you that ideally we recommend one campaign per product, but sometimes previous campaigns may have multiple products. So like, we have to take notes of all the products that are just spending or without conversion in the last 30 days. So then these should be paused to save our budget. So here we only have one product, so we don't have to check that. But if we would have more products, then we would have checked those also. If someone is just spending, we should pause it. Now from here we will go on the targeting tab. The third step is to go on the targeting tab. So the first step was to open the campaign that we want to audit, and then go to the ad groups. So if there are many ad groups, you will have to check each one manually, and if there is only one ad group, you have to click that, and then you have to check all your products from there that you have selected for the for advertising. So if it only have one product, so you don't have to check anything in that. The third step will be to go to the targeting tab. So here we can see all the keywords, or if we have done the product targeting here, so we can check that also from that. So here it is a keyword targeting, and it is an exact targeting match. So this is the these are all the keywords that we have targeted here. So what we have to check here, so first of all we have to check which keywords have high cost but lower sales. Like they may need to be paused, or we can also reduce a bit. Generally we don't pause directly. If any keyword is giving us sales but with higher cost, we don't directly pause that keyword. We try to reduce a bit gradually, and then see whether it is performing good or not. Even then, after not performing well after 30 days, we can then pause that keyword. So the first step is to check the keywords which have higher ACOS but lower sales. The second thing is to we have to identify the keywords that are performing well or that have lower ACOS or generating sales. So you can increase the bids and allocate more budget to them, as these are giving us good sales already. And the third thing is we have to look for the keywords that are just spending without any sales. You can simply pause them, or also you can adjust bid accordingly if that particular keyword has not spent that much. So from here in this campaign I can see that the ACOS is generally good for all the keyword type. The ACOS is slightly higher for this one. Like I have spent 128 rupees for getting a single order of 490 rupees, and the ACOS is 26%, which is definitely higher for this. So what I can do is I can drop the bit a little, like from 5 I can do it 3.5. So now what will happen is it will consume a less like the spend per click will reduced gradually. It will like currently the CPC is 5.13, but if I will decrease the bit, then it will help us to reduce the CPC according to that. So what will happen then, it will automatically help me to reduce my ACOS. And after 30 days I will again check this keyword whether it is giving us a good result or not, whether the ACOS has lower down or not. If like there may be possibility that the ACOS has not gone down, then what I can simply do is I can simply pause this campaign, or the keyword, sorry, the keyword. Okay. And like I can see that this keyword that is generated, actually it is suggested by Amazon only. It has been given by Amazon only. So this is the keyword group that is related. Here the keywords will be related to my product category. So here I can see the ACOS is very less, and it has given us many orders. So what I can do is I can increase the bidding here. Like it is 5.4 here. What I can do is I can uh, do it 6. So I can change it to 6. So what will happen here, the impressions will increase as I have increased my bid. So what will happen is my impressions will increase, and then there are more chances to get more clicks, as the CTR is also good. And that's why there are high chances to get more sales from this particular keyword. And similarly, like I have this 15.14%, 14.43% of ACOS. Here also I can increase a little bit, so that to scale my campaigns. So that's how we check all our keyword targeting that we have done in a particular campaign. So this is a very brief about how we check these things, or how we audit our existing campaigns. This is also a part of optimization. So this is how we do this.